Are you having problems with Starlink not showing up on Wi-Fi and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. So we're going to try a couple of things to try to fix this problem. So the first one is going to be for you to check your power and connections. So make sure that your Starlink dish and router are plugged in properly. So if the router has a white light, then it's powered on, just so you know. So make sure that the Starlink dish and router that they're actually plugged in correctly, and if it has a white light, then it should be correct. And if it is correct, then that is not the issue, obviously. So we need to restart the Starlink. So unplug the router for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. And then you need to wait a few minutes for it to restart and see if that can actually make a difference. So look for a network name change if that doesn't work. Sometimes after a reset, the Wi-Fi name also changes. So open the Starlink app, go into settings and check the new network name. It could be that it actually changed, just so you know. And if the Wi-Fi still doesn't show up, as you can see, we need to reset the router. So unplug the router and then press the reset button on the bottom, and then hold the button while plugging the router back in, as you can see. Then keep holding it for about 15 seconds. The default Wi-Fi name should now be Starlink, just so you know. And try a wired connection. So you can also use an Ethernet cable with a Starlink adapter to connect a laptop to the router. So that is also a thing you can try. So open a web browser and go to this page right here to check the status after you have done so. And if still nothing is working, you need to contact support. So if nothing else is actually working, that you have tried all of this right here, if it doesn't work, you need to open up your Starlink app again and then go into support, and you need to report the issue, because then they are the only ones that can actually fix this for you.